something like this. S is for the way you sass my way. A is for the ass I kick today. V and V are very, very stuck on how you're scary.
Y is for your yap that's flapping cause you won't shut your trap. And
Savvy
is just how much you mean to me.
savvy and understanding wench ye be.
Our love stands the measure.
You know you're my buried treasure. Savvy is why you've chosen me.
Freedom, 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 oi! Freedom, 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 oi! There's nothing crazy about it, it's just Freedom Day!